This is very important question. Find the direct common tangents to the circle. Find the direct common tangents to the two circles given. As usual procedure, first of all, first circle, second circle, find center, radius. For second circle, find center, radius. Minus 11 comma 2, center, radius is 15. For second circle, center is 11 comma minus 2, radius is 5 units. Find next to C1, C2. That is 10 root 5. 500 means 10 into 100 into 5, 10 into root 5 means approximately 22.3. Because root 5 value is 2.23. 22.3, here C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2. What about R1 plus R2? R1 plus R2 is equal to here 15 plus 5. It is 20. Here 22.3 is more than 20. So C1, C2 greater than R1 plus R2. It means one circle is completely outside the other circle, like this. Here one circle completely outside the other circle. Do not intersect. Do not touch. Two circles exterior, I mean one circle is completely out of the other circle, like this. In this case, there will be two direct common tangents and another two transverse common tangents. Here our question is only finding direct common tangents. Here these two are direct common tangents. How do we find? First of all, see. Here this is one tangent, this is one tangent. This tangent has certain slope. Also this tangent has a certain slope. If you want to find two slopes, then equation of direct common tangent passing through this point P. How do you find that P? We know that as earlier, as previous methods. Finding P. This P divides this line segment C1, C2. This P divides this line segment C1, C2 externally. Divides externally. So what we call this point P? External center of similitude. External center of similitude. External center of similitude. External center of P here. This is P. External center of similitude is P. The point P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. Externally means we should take minus, we know that. Externally. First of all, C1 is minus 11 comma 2. Let it be x1 comma y1. C2 is equal 11 comma minus 2. Let it be x2 comma y2. Radius R1 is to R2. The ratio 15 is to 5. 15 is to 5. Here there is common divisor. 5 3s are 1s are. So now let it be m is to n. M is to n is 3 is to 1. M is to n means 3 is to 1. Now P is equal mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, mx2 my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. So is equals m3 into minus 1 into by 3 minus 1 comma 3 into minus 1 into 5 3 minus 1. So what is that? x2. x2 is 11. x1 is minus 11. y2 minus 2. y1 2. Now make it simplification. 3 into 11 33 plus 1 into minus 11 11 by 2 comma 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 1 into 2 2 3 minus 1 2 33 plus 11 33 plus 11 33 plus 7 44 44 by 2 comma minus 8 by 2 2 ones are 2 22s are, so then 22 comma 2 ones are 2 4s are minus 4. So now P is 22 comma minus 4, point is 22 comma minus 4. This is external center of similitude. External center of similitude. Now, so next thing, equation of direct common tangent. So let equation of the common tangent be y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. What is m? What is x1 y1? See, here this point is x1 y1. Slope be m. It has a slope m. Point is 22 comma minus 4. 22 comma minus 4. Now equation of tangent. Equation of tangent having slope m and passing through the points 22 comma minus 4 P. Point P of 22 comma minus 4 is, so actually formula is y minus y1 is equal m into x minus x1. Here m itself m, slope we don't know that. This line, this tangent has such a slope, this has such a slope. By two tangents there is slope m. By taking common slope, we can find two different slopes. So that is m. Y minus y plus 4 is equal to m into x minus 22. Number equation number, let it be 1. There is no 1, right, 1, say 1. So y plus 4 is equal to mx minus 22 m. First of all x term mx, next y term minus y, minus 22 m minus 4 is equal 0. Say 2. Here this tangent and this tangent, two tangents are satisfying that condition. Radius is equal to distance from center to this tangent, that is perpendicular distance. Radius is equal to perpendicular distance from center to that common tangent. Sir, is it same for this circle? Yes. This is also same thing for this circle. We can take any of them. This circle or that circle. I am taking small circle. Why do we take big circle? Big circle may have big numbers, big radius. It takes more time. For that, chinna circle teeskuntunnanu. Okay? Now, D is equal perpendicular distance from C2, second center. C2 is 11 comma minus 2 to tangent line 2. Tangent line 2. So now is equal mod. We know that formula. I will write one formula here. What is that formula? It is perpendicular distance. P of x1 comma y1, x0 comma y0 it is ax plus by plus c is equal 0. In first year formula it is perpendicular distance mod ax naught plus by naught plus c by square root a square plus b square, like this. Perpendicular distance from center to this line is here, this is this line. Wherever x we write x naught, wherever y we write y naught. Similarly in the space of x, write center. What is the center? 11. I wrote here 11. In space of y, minus 2. Stop. Mod m into 11 minus of minus 2 minus x into 11, y into minus 2 minus 22m minus 4 by square root m square plus 1. Of course, plus 1 means minus 1 whole square. Y coefficient is minus 1 whole square is equal to mod 11m plus 2 minus 22m minus 4 by square root m square plus 1 is equal to 11m minus 22m minus 11m minus 11m 2 minus 4 minus 2 mod by root m square plus 1. mod ఉంది కదా, mod తీసేయాలంటే మొత్తం కూడా మైనస్ తీసేస్తే పాజిటివ్ అయిపోతుంది. సో వీ కెన్ టేక్ 11m ప్లస్ 2 బై స్క్వేర్ రూట్ m స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 1. ఈ mod తీసేస్తున్నానంటే పాజిటివ్ అవ్వాలి. 11m ప్లస్ 2 ఇస్ పాజిటివ్, నో డౌట్ ఎట్ ఆల్. కాబట్టి mod తీసేసాను. సో నెక్స్ట్ థింగ్, next, now here we know that R2 is equal to D. This is important condition. R2 is equal to D. Radius is equal to perpendicular distance. This is R2, radius, second radius 5 units. 5 is equal to 11m plus 2 by root m square plus 1, cross multiplying 5 into root m square plus 1 is equal 11m plus 2, squaring on both sides 5 root m square plus 1 whole square is equal to 11m plus 2 whole square, squaring on both sides 25 into square की square root cancel అయిపోతుంది, m square plus 1 is equal a plus b whole square 11m whole square 121m square plus 2ab 2a 2 into 11 22 into 2 44m b square 2 square means 4 25m square plus 25 into 1 25 121m square plus 44m plus 4. Now first of all m square, next m, next constant 121m square minus 25 96m square. Next 44m plus 44m. Next 4, this 25 it, then 4 minus 25 minus 21 is equal 0. Here product is 96 into minus 21 is equal minus 2016. Middle term is 44. What about those two numbers? So that is 72 into minus 28. It is minus 2016. 72 minus 28 is equal to 44. Okay, satisfied those two numbers. These are important numbers. 96 into minus 21 is minus 2016. Middle term is 44. So now 72 into minus 28 is minus 2016. 72 minus 28 is 44. Now we can write 96m square plus 72m minus 28m minus 21 is equal to 0. First two terms, next two terms. In these two terms, 24m is common. 4m plus 3 minus, here 7 is common. 7. 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. 4m plus 3 into 24m minus 7 is equal to 0. 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. It means 4m is equal minus 3. m is equal minus 3 by 4. One slope is minus 3 by 4. Another slope 24m minus 7 is equal to 0. 24m is equal to 7. m is equal to 7 by 24. Another slope. This slope is minus 3 by 4. This slope is 7 by 24. Two slopes we got. One slope, second slope. Passing through this point. That equation is here. Y plus 4 is equal to m into x minus 22. Right in space of m, once minus 3 by 4, next 7 by 24. Okay. Equation 1 implies here m is equal to minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. 1 implies y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 22. 4 cross multiplying. 4 into y plus 4 is equal minus 3 into x minus 22. 4y plus 16 minus 3x minus into minus plus 3 into 22 66 minus 3x it is currently plus 3x plus 4y plus 16 minus 66 is equal 0. 3x plus 4y 16 minus 66 minus 50 is equal 0. This is one common tangent. Next, another common tangent. M is equal 7 by 24. 1 implies y plus 4 is equal 7 by 24 into x minus 22. 24 into y plus 4 is equal 7 into x minus 22. 24 into y, 24y, 24 into 4, 96, 7 into x, 7x, minus 7 into 22, 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 141, 54. Next, 7x, ఈ 2 terms అటు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 7x ఇలాగే ఉంది. ఈ 24y అటు వస్తే minus 24y, minus 154 ఇక్కడే ఉంది ఈ 2 terms. వీటిని అటు తీసుకెళ్ళండి. 96 minus 96 is equal 0. 7x minus 24y minus 154 minus 96 minus 250 is equal 0. These are the required common tangents.